Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to cancel your Citibank credit card. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our tutorials. And now let's get into it. So I found this article in wallethub.com. I'll leave you the link in the description down below. And here you can see how you can easily cancel your Citi credit card, whether you want to do that online, by phone, at a branch, or via email. Now, to do that online, first you're gonna have to log into the Citibank website or the mobile app. By clicking onto the Contact Us link, you can initiate a live chat session with a customer service representative who can assist you in canceling your card. To do that by phone, call customer service at this phone number and enter your account number and social security number to verify your identity. Then follow the prompts to speak to a customer service representative and let them know you want to cancel your card. They will likely try to convince you to keep your credit card open, but you can simply decline the offer and proceed with canceling the account. And now, next to that, if you want to do that at a branch, you can request to cancel your Citi credit card by visiting your nearest Citibank branch during normal business hours. And finally, via email, you can send your credit card cancellation request to the following address. And that was it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful and see you in the next one.